If all else fails, the method you're going to use is a quadratic formula. The quadratic formula will always work, but a lot of times little mistakes happen, so you have to be very careful. Quadratic formula. Here's my A, here's my B, here's my C. So I'm going to plug it in. I always say the opposite of B, so the opposite of B is positive 6 plus and minus the square root. B squared, well, B is negative 6. If I square it, I get 36 minus 4 times 3 times negative 5 all over 2 times A, which is 3. So I'm going to go ahead and work on this part right here. Negative 4 times 3 times negative 5 is 60. So I have 6 plus or minus the square root of 36 plus 60 over 6, which is 6 plus or minus the square root of 96 over 6. Now, I probably should simplify this down just a little bit more to be more accurate. So I'm going to break down 96. 2 goes into it 48 times. 2 goes into that 24 times. 2 goes into that 12 times. 2 goes into that 6 times. 2 goes into that 3 times. So I can factor out a pair of 2s, so 2 times 2 is 4. So I have 6 plus or minus 4, rad 2 times 3 is 6 over 6. So my unsimplified answer, I'll write it here so you can see, looks like this. If all 3 outside numbers are divisible by something, you can break them down. So another way to write this is 2 goes into all of them. 3 plus or minus 2 rad 6 over 3, or I can separate them even more. 3 over 3 plus and minus 2 rad 6 over 3, which is 1 plus or minus 2 rad 6 over 3. That answer would work. That answer would work. The estimated answer, you would say 3 plus 2 rad 6, divide the whole thing by 3, and get 2.6. And I would say 3 minus 2 rad 6 divided by 3 and get negative 0.63. So either one of those 3 answers would be correct. Just make sure you are answering the directions that are given to you.